I'm the founder of hair accessories business Oso Curly, but also have a digital product business under UK Curly Girl as a creator. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my 4-step playbook on exactly how to start up a low-cost online business that you can start easily this week. The first thing I'm going to need you to do is to figure out what you are going to sell and what your niche is. My niche here on YouTube and as a creator is typically how to help small business owners grow and start a business. But you'll want to find something that you actually are passionate about, whether that is faith, wellness, productivity. Figure out what is going to serve you as a business owner and keep you going when things get hard, because I'll be honest with you guys, there will be a lot of ups and downs in your journey, so you need something that's going to keep you pushing. Next, within that niche, you need to find out what people actually need help with, what they're struggling with, and you can actually use websites like Google Trends and also this website here where you can find out what people are actually asking on the internet, and within your content and your products you can help them with the answer to those questions. I also like to use for inspiration comments on past videos or content that I have posted, even questions that people have asked me in my DMs, because I can then use that to create something again to help them with those questions. This is going to be so much easier for you to gain customers rather than coming up with your own idea that people really don't care about or aren't trying to figure out an answer to. Next, you want to put together your offer. So what exactly is it you are going to provide or sell to your customers? For example, for me, I actually have an ebook, a guide, I have a course, a video course, and I also in the past had a membership and one-on-one consultations. Or you might want to go down the physical product lane. I highly would recommend trying out digital products because it is very low cost start and it's so much easier to do than physical products. You don't have to hold inventory and you can sell over and over again with very low effort. Before choosing, you also want to make sure that it's going to match with your personality. For example, with me, I found that doing my membership, my group mentoring and one-on-one consultations didn't quite fit with my personality. I am an introvert. Although I do show up on camera, I find that I'm much more comfortable it just being me in front of the camera, pre-recorded, rather than being live in front of a group of people that are relying on my advice. And also one-on-one consultations would zap so much energy out of me and just leave me so tired and drained that I didn't have enough energy to do anything afterwards. So those offers definitely weren't for me. I do prefer doing like ebooks or courses that are pre-recorded. So figure out what is going to work best for you and your personality. Also, don't overthink it. Your first product isn't going to be perfect. Now, however, we do have the cheat code with so many AI tools out there that can help you to create these digital products. But just remember, the first product isn't going to be your best. It's all about just getting started. So next we need to figure out how we're actually going to display, distribute and sell these digital products. And this is where most people get stuck because you have to think about things like domain names, plugins, fees and all this different technology. But that is where EverBee comes in, which is a great alternative to your typical e-commerce stores and is perfect for beginners. EverBee is actually AI powered, so you can literally set up your storefront in minutes. Simply upload your product, choose your branding, and you are live. No coding, no listing fees, and you are in full control. This is the perfect solution for creators who are looking to make extra money. Here's exactly how you can set up your own EverBee storefront. EverBee is so easy to use. You can start by literally typing in what kind of store you want to create. For example, here I mentioned that I want to do a digital product business, and the AI instantly will come up with some sentences for you and then it will build the store. It literally took less than a minute for it to actually build a store from scratch. As you can see, this is the storefront preview and it looks quite basic, but it already has like the text and everything you need in order to put in your products and your images. You can tweak everything to match your brand colors and vibe. Then in the back end, it is super beginner friendly. You can upload your digital product files, connect payments, and even import existing Etsy listings if you already sell there. Now this part's really smart. So there's a built-in AI brain that helps you come up with product ideas, descriptions, and even marketing angles based on your niche. There's also a brand guide section where you can define your brand tone, your fonts, your colors, and everything you create inside EverBee will stay on brand automatically. And you can also add extra apps inside your store, things like email integrations, analytics, and upsell tools all in one place. And if you ever get stuck, there's a full library of tutorials that walk you through every single step from setting up your store to actually selling products. So once you have found the solution to selling your digital products and listing them, you can now go ahead and start to market them. And I will probably say this is the hardest part of the whole setting up a business, because it's something that you won't stop doing. It's a consistent thing. You should be consistently marketing your business. You can do this by creating content on social media, creating an email list, and pushing for email subscribers. I like to use tools like Omnisend for collecting email subscribers, and then I can set up automations and also email campaigns just to keep the subscribers updated on everything that's going on. I do have a full video on how to market your business on social media, but I would recommend picking 1 to 2 platforms, whether that is TikTok or Instagram or even YouTube. If you are a digital product owner, I would highly recommend using YouTube because people like to watch more long form content if they're trying to learn something. So you could use YouTube and then also TikTok in order to market your digital products. You also want to make sure that you put your link to where they can shop in your bio, and I highly recommend using tools like ManyChat are perfect for promoting your digital products on social media. For example, when I am promoting certain offers or products, I will tell my viewers in the content to comment a certain word below, and then that will actually send them a link directly to whatever I want to sell them into their DMs. That is such a great way to get conversions straight away without you lifting a finger. When it comes to creating your digital products, you can use tools like ChatGPT, and you can use tools like Canva to actually design your ebooks or your guides. They already have tons of templates that you can literally just edit in what kind of images, the branding, and then your words into that ebook. As I mentioned before, this is so much easier than selling physical products. Just make sure when you are using ChatGPT that you do also add in your own words and your own edits, so it doesn't just look like a copy and paste ChatGPT ebook, because we all know those ChatGPT dashes are the dead giveaway to you have used AI to create your content. That is the quickest and easiest way I would get started with an online business this year. Everything that I've mentioned is rinse and repeatable. I recommend that you are, especially in the beginning, posting daily on social media and really pushing your product marketing. Keep it so simple, focus on the right tools, and just get it live. And if you want to try EverBee to start your online business store, I will leave the link for that down below. Now, I want to see you actually make it happen. So comment down below when you have started your online business. I can't wait to check it out, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.